Hi everyone. Hope everyone is doing good. And how's the holiday and Christmas preparations coming along? My oh my, what exciting times we live in. I mean, with all the tools that are coming out, it just gives us that ability to bring our ideas to life is such a nice feeling, honestly. Yeah, so today I want to continue on basically showing you guys where I have gotten to on LunaJournal. Um, I've done some updates I would like to show you guys, and also basically show you guys how. Okay, today I would like to show how behavioral analytics is determined. What are the metrics that are looked at to come up with what you are seeing? I got an email from somebody that was interested in it, so I decided I will show you guys how this, um, how this is decided. But first, I would like to show you guys some updates to the trading body that that have been done to the UI and the likes. Okay, yeah, let's start first of all um, with the ability to upload a screenshot of a chart for the trading body to analyze and give some feedback on. Then yeah, we'll take it from there. So yeah, you just click on this. You can drag your image in or yeah, upload from. I just upload this one from here. So yeah, it immediately says a chart analysis request has been made by the user, and voila, we get some information on the chart. It's in a bullish trend. It's identified a couple of patterns, ascending triangle, bullish engulfing. It also shows you the key levels for support and resistance that is there. Yeah, so if you have some indicators on the chart, it will give you some information on those indicators. This is a special script I know, basically that, so it's just showing the ADX. Then, yeah, like I said before, I wasn't sure if I wanted to give some potential setups, but for now, it does provide some potential setups which I still need to fine tune. It gives you an entry point, a stop loss, and take profit targets. It can go short or long. If there are no setups, it will say there are no setups. But here I put a disclaimer here so that it's not financial advice, which is why I felt yeah, we could probably get away with showing some kind of setup for people and the likes. I've seen some quite interesting analysis done on charts. I've seen, which I mean, yeah, it shows head and shoulders, double bottoms, yeah, patterns on the charts. It's kind of helpful, I would say, but can get a lot better, especially with these trade setups. I feel that we can fine tune this a lot more. So, like I said, if you put some indicators on the chart, it reads those indicators in its analysis and takes it from there. So, yeah, that's one of the updates we've done to the trading body. Another thing, yeah, let's say please analyze the total long trades I have taken. So it should look at all my long trades and basically give me some analysis. See again, because yeah, it takes a bit of time. I guess there's quite a lot. So yeah, let's delve into your long trade performance with a focal point, your trading strategy, given that all 38 of your trades have been long. So I don't even have any short trades on this account. Maybe you'll check out another account after this. So yeah, the number of long trades, the win rates, average P&L is $3,700. Total P&L is 100K. Again, these are all synthetic data, so not exactly my trades. So it gives you some observation. You know, it tells you, gives you some information. Looks at the leverage employed. Says consider reducing leverage for more consistent results, particularly since a few losses can quickly erode profits due to high leverage. Yeah, gives you some idea of your risk to reward ratio. Yeah, gives you some more information. Gives you some recommendation for improvement. So yeah, speaking about the lack of short trades, leverage management. Also suggests you use the advanced analysis feature of the app to identify patterns. Yeah, so trying to understand any psychological biases. But yeah, then it shows you some steps on how to use LunaJournal. Yeah, so yeah, this is kind of what it shows you. Let's confirm something. So it says 38 long trades, while here it says 27. But okay, even the win rates, these are correct. So I have to look at that. But I have a feeling it's the difference between open trades and closed trades. So okay, so you can see here. So there are 38 total trades. But if we look at, let me see, closed, how many closed trades? We have 30 closed trades. So there's still some discrepancies. Here it says 28. So yeah, I still need to, yeah. I'm using a central, basically getting the metrics centrally from a central source. So yeah, I will look at, handling these discrepancies and see how it goes. If we see how many open trades we have. Okay. See. Maybe I should try closing them and see what happens. Yeah, that's a good idea. Let's close the AVEX. We got at 43. Let's say we sold at 40 for a loss. Let's say we sold this for some gains. Seems all the AVEX trades. Okay, close that. We have Zeus here. Oops, no, that's kind of out of burn. Let's close this here. Theta 150. Let's close it on. So another theta. Let's say we. Oops. Close this one. And then BTC. Close this on 95, 93. And then this, let's say we took a hit. And let's say we cross it. So it's 9, 1, 2, 3. So if we, I believe if we, close, still have that one. It should be closed by now. Let's trades now. Why is still open? I close them. I don't think I need to. I don't believe I need to do this. Okay, they're all closed now. Okay, so I need to do something in the database such that yeah. So yeah, such that it's updated real time. I'll look into that. So all the trades are closed now. So how does this affect? It still hasn't updated here. Let me see here. How many total long trades did I take? Let's see if it's, oops, see how many total long trades did I take? That's trades. Now it's saying 28. It hasn't updated. Yeah, I don't like that. Okay, I'll look into that. Yeah, all these discrepancies. Yeah, this is the life of a builder. There's no point just showing everything working. Yeah, we will look at that. So yeah, I wanted to basically take you guys through how some of the metrics that is displayed on the dashboards, how they come about. Today I want to take you guys through how the behavioral analytics basically, how does it infer or how emotions are affecting your trades. First of all, most straightforward is here. You enter your emotional mindset here. This goes into the database. Maybe we should look at the database as well. I don't want to get too technical, I guess, but just to show you guys something. this goes into the database here. Now, this database has a lot of rich information which is analyzed to infer emotional state. So even if you don't enter this, which I suggest you do because it will help, the more information you get, the more it will help to analyze your emotional state during trading. But so yes, the first one is if you basically self-report your emotion, and the more you self-report, the system will analyze the correlation between the different emotions and your P&L to understand how these emotions affect or impact performance. But say we don't have that, there are still other ways that we can still infer emotional state. So, for example, if you have multiple losing trades at a time, so one after the other, one after the other, we can infer revenge trading. You can infer fearfulness, you know. So trying to basically revenge trading, trying to get back your win. So if based on the time you took a trade, because we also take information on when the trade was taken and when the trade was closed. Based on that, if your trade closed and you're taking the next one, you're stopped out taking the next one, it could infer revenge trading. Also, overconfidence. So if you win back to back, and you're just jumping in with in no time, it can also infer confidence and overconfidence. So for FOMO, basically, this is inferred. So it looks at basically if the user enters into a trade after a significant move up. So after a significant move up, you enter a trade. After a move up, you enter a trade. That kind of infers, oh, you're trying to catch these trades, trying to jump in on these trades that have gone. So that is how it infers FOMO as one of the ways. Short time frame, long time frame, short time frames combined with quick entries after significant movements might suggest FOMO. So it looks at that, and also when you enter during strong trends, so entering during strong trends kind of also infers, oh, this might be driven by FOMO. So yeah, also looks at all sorts of other things, your position sizing, also here basically how you adhere to your strategies and which indicators you use, um, whether you have stop losses. It takes all these things into consideration to decide, basically infer some of your emotional states. Do you stick to a particular time frame? Do you only um, trade during one stage of the market, trending or bullish, or do you go, excuse me, guys, do shorts? Also the time at which you trade, or where your most successful trades happen, are they in the morning, afternoon, which will infer which basically which markets you you are you you are trading. And yeah, so here if you kind of like the market conditions, based on market conditions, it looks at that and says, okay, how do you perform, which trades you take. Also, post news events? Do you trade after news things? Yeah, still working on this. Yeah, you can see some discrepancies and errors. This is meant to be zero success. So yeah, we'll figure that out. Do you trade during trending markets? Number of trades. So yeah, it looks at all the information we supply it when you're filling in a trade. So it uses this to help you improve. Um, Eventually, the trading body will take all this information and give you some form of recommendations. Let's see what happens now. Okay, you give me some recommendations based on my behavioral analytics data. Let's see what this comes up with. Okay, let's see if it's relevant. Certainly, let's delve into your behavioral analytics data and identify areas where you can improve. So, says I've been using high leverage frequently, which increases risk. Okay, yeah, so talked about morning trading, high volatility trading. Yeah, post news. So yes, it gives you some recommendations based on this. I'm going to make it more structured, basically. So yeah, you'll be able to get some recommendations on how to improve your trades based on the behaviors inferred uh, trading style. I'm still as focused on this for now. We'll get to all the other ones, including the AI insights, and yeah, basically help you do that. Remember, we also get some quick fix suggestions here. This position is 5.5x your average position set. To figure that out. So standard, yeah. So it gives you some quick recommendations as well. But so yeah, I want to also because the mindset is very important when trading. So it's not just all about entering your trades, but also the mindset at which you take these trades. So I feel that is quite important as well. So yeah, guys, I don't want to do a very long video. I will definitely pump out another video this week when we have some more updates for you guys to see. I keep on forgetting, please, guys. The link to the wait list will be in the description of um, this video. So yeah, please, if you're interested in LunaJournal, please sign up to the wait list, and as soon as it's ready for use, you guys will be the first to know. Yeah. So yeah, still a bit of work to do. At least a week's worth more work to be done. Then we'll take it from there. So thanks everyone. Have a fantastic Christmas, and yeah, on to 2025. Take care, guys.